Change the display on a Samsung A53. Replacing the display on a Samsung A53 involves several steps. Here's a general guide to help you with the process. Please note that performing any repairs or modifications on your device may void your warranty, and it's always recommended to seek professional assistance if you're not confident in why. Remove the back cover. Gently pry off the back cover using a plastic opening tool or guitar pick. Be careful not to damage any cables or connectors underneath. Disconnect the display cables. Once the display is loose, carefully disconnect the display cables from the motherboard. These connectors are delicate, so handle them with care. Remove the battery. Disconnect the battery connector and carefully remove the battery to prevent any power flow during the repair. Install the new display. Take the new display and connect the display cables to the corresponding connectors on the motherboard. Gently press the display into place, ensuring it aligns properly with the frame. Test the display, power on your Samsung A53, and check if the new display is functioning correctly. Make sure the touch response, colors, and overall display performance are satisfactory. Reassemble the phone. Reattach the battery, back cover, and any other components you removed earlier. Tips 1. Be careful not to damage the phone when you are prying open the back cover. 2. Make sure that you disconnect the battery and the motherboard from the display before you remove it. 3. Be careful not to damage the new display when you are installing it. 4. Test the display to make sure it works properly before you put the back cover back off. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe this channel.